Now join me as I take on the challenge of buying a dream home. Now, buying a dream home is a goal that many of us strive for, but to be honest, it often seems like it's out of reach. But what if I told you that it doesn't have to be that way? In this video, we're going to break down the process of finding and buying your dream home into simple, actionable steps. So, what's holding you back from buying your dream home? Is it the overwhelming options that are out there? Or maybe it's the fear of making the wrong choice? Perhaps it's the constraints that are giving you pause. Whatever it is, trust me, I get it. I've been there before too. I bought my own house, and buying a home can be a daunting task, especially if you're doing it for the very first time. Now, one of the biggest challenges that many homeowners face is what a lot of people like to call is information overload. With so many properties to choose from, it's easy to get caught up in all the excitement and all of the different hurdles that it takes to get through to buy a house. And sometimes we might even lose sight of what's important. And when you're working with a limited budget, every decision counts. Trust me, I've been there. Now, what if I told you it's not about finding the right house? It's actually about finding the right neighborhood, the right community, and actually the right lifestyle that fits you. It's about thinking beyond the four walls of this house, but considering the overall bigger picture. So, how do we simplify this process and make it more manageable? That's what we're going to explore today in this video. The first step in buying your dream home is to get your finances in order, all of your finances in order. This means creating a realistic budget that will actually take into account all of the costs associated with home ownership, from items such as mortgage payments all the way to property taxes. We need to factor in all of these items. It's not the most glorious task, I know, but trust me, it's definitely worth it in the end. Next, you need to do your own research. This means looking into different neighborhoods, researching local schools, getting a good feel of the community that you're interested in. You want to find a place that feels like home, and that means really it means doing due diligence on your part. Another crucial step is understanding your mortgage options. This can be a complex and confusing topic, but it's essential that you take the time to educate yourself on all of the different mortgage options. Whether you're looking into a 30-year fixed rate, a 15-year fixed rate, or even adjustable rate mortgages, you need to know what is right for you, and you need to know what you're getting into. Now, by doing your research and understanding your options, you can take the fear out of home buying, out of this all home buying process. You can confidently navigate the ups and the downs and find a home that is truly meant for you. For me, buying my dream home was a game changer. It was a moment of pure joy. It was a moment of excitement, and it changed the way I see myself and I see myself in the world. It's a feeling that's hard to describe, but it's one that I want to help you experience for yourself. So let's recap the essential steps we've covered in this video so far. First, get your finances in order. Second, do the research and find the neighborhood that fits your lifestyle. And third, understand your mortgage options and make informed decisions. And finally, trust the process and have faith that you will actually find your dream home. Now, thanks for joining me on this journey. If you got a home buying story to share, I would love to hear it. Please place your comments below. And if you're looking for more tips on strategies about buying a dream home, or if you're looking on tips and strategies about fixing your credit and your credit profile, make sure you like and subscribe and watch my other videos. And I thank you so much.